another video. This one's gonna be about fidgets. Try to find this one, and one is the fidgets. I'm gonna hide it very well. I'm back. Can I go all the gum one? So. Alright, so this is our first fidget. All you need is this and this. And look. When you put them together, they just have this fidgety feeling.
My God.
And we're using magnetic box. Mind blown. Shoot. Well, actually hurt. Alright, next up, we have this. This doesn't look like much, but it is a fidget like the other things. It's multi-use. And you could do the same thing with that one. So all you need is this, this, and this. So basically like 3 big triangles. Well, you can use any triangle. And look. Hey, Ben, come closer. Alright, time for our next thing. This is the first thing I created that inspired me to make this video. So you like squeeze this part. It's really cool. Squeeze this part.
Wait, I know what to do. Let me see that. That's how you do it. Everyone,
Calm down, Ben. Alright, Ben, here's another game. Oh, shoot. My mom's apple. So here it is. So it's a sting. And we have 2 game pieces. And Ben, you hold one. I'll hold one. And whoever gets this blue block to the screen first wins. I'll go first. Whee! I'm an avocado from Mexico. Whee! I won! I want to do it. Alright, let's see if you can do it. Honestly, I think you need a little more practice. Well,
stop. I'm a magician.
The last thing is this storage.
This thing's a scam.
Is this storage unit, and it's perfect for storing stuff. Well, see you guys later.